Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to guide you through a simple process how to redeem a Disney Plus code whether you received it as a gift or through a promotional offer. This tutorial will help you to activate your subscription and start enjoying your favorite Disney content. Step 1. To start, head over the Disney Plus website and navigate to the redemption page. You can find this by clicking on redeem a gift or redeem a code depending on your region. Once you're in the redemption page, you'll see a field where you can enter your code. Step 2. Carefully enter your Disney Plus code exactly as it appears on your gift card or a voucher. Make sure to check for any spaces or hyphens, as this can cause errors. Once you have entered the code, click the redeem or submit button. Step 3. After submitting your code, you might be prompted to log in or create a Disney Plus account. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, follow the prompts to create a new account. You'll need to provide an email address and create a password. Step 4. Once your account is set up or logged in, your Disney Plus subscription should be activated. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your subscription is now active. You can then start browsing and watching your favorite Disney shows and movies. And that is it. You have successfully redeemed your Disney Plus code. If you encounter any issues during the process, feel free to check out the Disney Plus support page for assistance. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related tutorials. Thanks for watching.